Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. This video will show you the time motion diagram, or we call it as a TMD, where in this time motion diagram we can get the sequence of the process. Okay, from the TMD also, when we get the sequence, then we can finally create our pneumatic diagram. Okay, so the most important thing in TMD is each of the line indicate in TMD, because each line have their own function. Okay, let's start with horizontal line. So for horizontal line is for the limit switch. Okay, let's take example for two cylinder process. Okay, so for each cylinder, as I mentioned before, we have two limit switch. For cylinder A, we have limit switch A1 and A node, and for cylinder B, we have limit switch B1 and B node. Okay, next for vertical lines, so we have 5 lines there, which is indicate for time phase. Okay, we start from step 1 until step 5. This is for the two cylinder example. And when we have 3 cylinder process, of course the vertical line is more, where we start with step 1 until step 7. That is for 3 cylinder process. Okay, now we are going to take one example on how to read the TMD. Okay, let's take this as an example. The red lines is indicate for the sequence of the process. Okay, so as I mentioned in the previous video, the line that is rising up is for the cylinder to extend. Let's take a look at the point 1 or phase 1, step 1. The line is rising up. That means cylinder A is extend. Where it is started from the A node, limit switch touching the A node, it is where the actuator is in the normal position, which is retract position. Okay, so when the cylinder is extend, the line is moved forward, rising up, and touch the limit switch A1. So that means the first process, the first sequence is A plus, which means cylinder A is extend. Next, for step 2, we need to take a look at cylinder B. It is rising up. It also means that the cylinder B is extend, followed by step 3, cylinder B is decreasing, which means that the cylinder is retract. And the last one at step 4, the cylinder A is decreasing, which means that cylinder A is retract.